how to program an MCU board like this ST board, Nucleo F072 board. First, we open the browser, type in mbed.com. Website opens after a while. There's a sign up button where you have to provide email address, username, password, name, country, agree to the terms, sign up. But if you already have a MBED account, just type in your email address, password, login, wait for the website to load. It's not very fast today. Find the board, this one is of the brand STMicroelectronics. So we look at the target vendor, type in STMelectronics. It selects only STMelectronics boards. Scroll down and a bit up, and here is the Nucleo F072 board. Here you can see everything related to the boards, the specs, pins, and on your right you can see the example programs. This one is the most easy program. Now you can see my red LED is on, that's the power LED, and the green LED is off, that's next to the power LED, not visible. If we import this program into compiler, starts the compiler, it's empty, it says Nucleo blink LED, import, and here you can see the program. It's a normal C program, C++ program, that's why the extension C++. Include the library, define the pin, main program, while loop forever, turn it on and off and wait in between, compile. When it's compiled you can save it. I have it, then it saves to the download folder. Here you can see the saved program file and you send it to the node. You can see the LED flashing. Now the green LED starts flashing. So that's my first tutorial on the MBED on STM Nucleo board. Thanks for watching, subscribe.